Hi, I'm Heather from Paint to Real Fiber Arts, and this video is just me doing an unboxing with my business card that I ended up getting. So a couple weeks ago I ended up ordering from this place called Vistaprint, and they are just, Vistaprint, not with an S, just Vistaprint. And they are just this online place that just does business cards, stickers, banners, whatever you need for your business that they can print out, and you just can either design your own, or you can have your own design that you already have all made up, and then they'll put it to the proper size of whatever thing that you're doing it on. Everything costs a little different depending what you want to do, what size you want to do, what kind of paper you want to do, and so forth. I just got a basic business card in one size, and then I got a little smaller one. They cost the same. I will put the price down below what they both cost because I forgot. I think it was like $20 and some change after some. It was like, and then plus a little bit for shipping, and then it ended up being and then it was due to it being on sale for like 30% off because I signed up for their newsletter, and they had like a 33% off thing going on. But actually their newsletter, being a first timer and everything, worked out a little better than the 33% off, so it ended up being a little more than that, which is awesome. They also have lots of good sales that they'll throw in your email box after that, so it's well worth getting the newsletter. And they don't overly do their newsletters, which is awesome. Like some places will send you like every single day something repetitively. They just do it every once in a while as needed, so they don't annoy you. But when they do it, they want you to do like a quick sale. So that's the only downside about it. But they do have ones that are a little longer. They're like 1 week, 2 week kind of thing going on, it looks like. So so this was my little gift to myself. I got two different kinds. I got one that just is like the basic business card that just has Paint to Real Fiber Arts on it. It has the little kitty logo of mine that the hubby drew up, as well as it's going to have my blog on there, Etsy shop, and then it's going to have Instagram on there as well as YouTube on there, because I felt those are my main platforms. I will have one that will have everything on it, like social medias and all the other links, if I like how these came out. I also have one that has directions on how to wash the amigurumis. Pretty much it just says hand wash in cold water, do not machine wash due to they may fall apart, or due to they may get damaged pretty much if not in the machine, such as washer or dryer. So it's best just to hand wash with a little bit of cold water, or take a little cloth to it and then just let air dry, and then they'll be fine. That way their faces don't fall apart and the eyes don't melt, is what I was mainly concerned about people doing. So that's why I did that. So I just thought it'd be cool to finally have my business card, since I run into people all the time that are like, what's your website or what's your Etsy shop, and I have to write down paper. I feel they're just going to lose it. So it's just best to have like a business card. It's more professional, and it's a great way to send little directions along with your items, I feel. They do have little stickers and stuff. It's really cool. I ended up getting 500 of each kind, and I don't know why it's in such a large box, but I am about to find out. So I don't know what's going on with this, why they sent me all these. Oh, I guess that's the business card. Sorry, I didn't just bin them or anything, but I just was looking at what they are. Okay, so this bunch is just the regular business card. They put a blank one so that way it doesn't get yucky, and then they give you the real one after, so that way if you take a peek like I did, you don't end up bending your business card. You end up just bending the bottom layer, which is not anything but a blank piece. Anyways, so these are just all looking the same. They just say Paint to Real Fiber Arts, a little cuteness that doesn't take up a lot of space, which is my little logo with it, and my online shop and where to go find me on one side. I don't know if the camera's going to let me see it, but I think it came out super nice, exactly how I designed it on there. I got to pick my own font and color. There we go, camera. And then on the other side it says washing directions for handmade items. Hand wash with cold water and soap. Rinse off with cold water. Let air dry. Do not machine wash / dry due to it may damage handmade items. And that's just the directions with my little kitty logo that the hubby nicely drew up for me. He went to school to become a video game designer originally with 3D arts, and he's an amazing artist. That was just one of his basic little sketches he did. He usually does a lot more crazier things, which is awesome. And he's really good at all that stuff, and I want to draw up a bunch more, so you will see a lot of his art. So they label it, like this one's B12, which is so cool, because then when you're getting a group of them, you know which is which. So all the B12s are on one side and they're smaller because I did that on purpose. And then these are just the bigger ones, which are the regular business card. And I got them in groups of 500, and then they gave me like a box of something, so I will look what's inside that, which I think are just more business cards. And then when they put them in there, they just look like that in the box, but they are labeled by numbers. Like this one just has a regular SKU on it, and it's number 89, so you know that it's the business card, and plus the sizes. One has round card and one has that, so that's how I knew the difference. But if I got identical cards, they'd be labeled by numbers pretty much. So it's pretty cool. You get a big box full of however you want. They go all the way down to like I think 100 or 50 packs. I'm not sure, but I got the 500, and I really liked it because I thought that was only a couple dollars more than the 250 that I originally was going to get. And this one just says Paintable Fiber Arts, and it says where my online shop is on one side with the little kitty logo. The camera will pick it up. And then on the other side it just says the Paintable Fiber Arts, and it just says my email, my blog, my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and it just says that I am Heather, the owner. Exactly how I wanted it, and I really like how they came out. I really thought they came out really good. I'm going to take some really good photos of it and show all of you. They'll be posted on my Instagram as well as on the cover of this, so you'll get to see what they look like. I'm going to open up this little box. Oh, actually, I don't even have to open it. It already told me what it is. It's the B12s, which is something completely different. So I have no idea what that is because I don't remember ordering that. Oh no, it's number 89. Never mind. It said 89, which is just more of the hand wash directions. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They give you the little stacks. Then that they also sell like where you can put them in like little holders, or like if you have a desk, put them on your desk, or if you have like a business and you want to have it out on a table, you can do that without them spilling everywhere, which is cool. But I felt I could probably get it maybe cheaper somewhere else, or get a little different one than what I wanted, or even crochet one up for myself. So I thought it would be so cool to do that and make something like that on my to makes list. So yeah, that's how my business cards came out. I'm super happy. I really like how they came out. They came out super cool. Can't wait to take pictures of them and show all of you what they look like through that, as well as talk to you all on another video that I'm going to be making, which is going to be just a relaxing crochet, knit, work on whatever fiber arts project that you want to work on together with me kind of night. And I just thought it would be really fun to make a video with that. But right before all that, I just wanted to show off what my business cards look like and my reaction. I really like how they came out. I will be ordering from this company again. They have lots of different options. This is just the basic card size, and I chose rounded corners, which cost a little more, but the non-rounded corners are just like the regular square like I showed you, and that was just like this shape. And I just got the basic paper, so it could bend easily if you want. You can get thicker paper where it doesn't bend as easily, but I feel like they're pretty sturdy for a business card because I got a little better than the normal thing. I got the gloss finish on it, so that's why it's glossy, and the camera might have not picked on it when I first did it. They don't look like they're gonna break like down in my purse really easily, which is super cool, and I really like that. And the reason I like the rounded corners, because then when it's in my purse and I'm showing it off, they aren't getting all bent up on the corners when I'm giving them out to people. And I really like the shape of that. I just like the fact it doesn't give me as bad of a paper cut, where these ones are quite pointy. They're not smooth, so when you go to put your hand on it, you could get a paper cut, but that's okay because they're going onto each handmade item, and people are just going to look at that and see that and be like, oh, okay, that's just directions, and take it off and then put it to the side so they know what to do when they need to wash it and everything, and I don't have to just keep telling them in like an email or something that they may lose. I thought that was super cool. I'm going to be ordering some cool stickers from them because their sticker prices are quite nice after I got a nice coupon in my email, because I was looking at that and they must have noticed it and then sent me an email with like a coupon on it, or it just happened to be the just right thing that I wanted. But anyways, it's called Vistaprints. I'll put the link, I mean not with S, Vistaprint. They are an online place, and I will be putting their website down below. They did take a little over a week to ship to me because I picked the non-express shipping, but they do have an express shipping where they can ship to you within like 2 to 3 days, which is awesome. And it seems like their shipping is a little faster than I expected, which is super cool because the day it arrived, I did not expect it. And then I was like, oh, I knew it was coming, but I didn't expect it that fast. I thought it was going to be super slow because I just picked the basic shipping. So don't be afraid just to hit that instead of the express, because unless you really, really need it right away, and you're like, I need it, because it's just worth saving the extra money, I felt, personally. But anyways, they are, I think they're from Norwegian, so if you're in the US, they take a little while due to that, but they're pretty fast for non-US company, so it's pretty cool. I'm going to be letting you all go now, and I will talk to you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do by hitting the subscribe button down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. If you would like to email me, you can. That is down below. If you would like to go visit my blog or my Etsy shop or any of my social media such as Twitter, Facebook, Blog Loving, Instagram, or Twitter, that is all linked down below, as well as anything else that I forgot, that is all linked down below. And I will talk to you next time. Bye bye.